What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How's everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got a great day of tech news for you with some new information, so let's dive right in. Our first story of the day has to do with Good Lock. If you don't know, you should know what Good Lock is. If you follow my channel, you know what Good Lock is. Good Lock is the app for Samsung Galaxy phones that allows you to customize your phone in a bunch of different ways. There's so many different modules in here that can do so many things. Nice Catch will catch your notifications. One-hand operation makes it easier to use your phone with one hand. Sound Assistant can change all kinds of sounds up in there. Pentastic is good for your S Pen. Theme Park helps decorate your phone in different ways. There's tons in here. That's just some of the ones that I mentioned. There's a new one coming out. I'm a little fuzzy on fully what it ends up doing, but ultimately what it's called is Dropship. And basically, I looked for it, I can't get it yet, but it should be launching soon. You can sideload it if you want, if you go to this link, this Twitter. Ultimately, it says new Good Lock plugin, Dropship. You can share any files that you want. And it sounds like the way it works is you can do it remotely. It doesn't sound like you have to be right next to the person. It sounds like it's akin to something like Send Anywhere. I'm not sure if it works across platforms. I'm assuming it does. But ultimately, because when he shared it, he shares a QR code that you would scan with your phone and it would bring you to a website or something. And I know Samsung already has a file sharing thing that they have on there, which I can't think of what it's called is. I don't mean like quick share, I mean like so you can send big files, but it's like through a link and a website. I think this is somewhat different. So I'm not fully sure, but Dropship is the new one coming out. Expect to have it, I would expect this week, next week, but very soon to officially show up in the Good Lock app. Again, I don't have it. I checked my Galaxy Store updates to make sure there wasn't an update for Good Lock, and I also went into Good Lock, closed it out, reopened it, checked both tabs. I don't personally have it, but check if you have it. It seems like something cool. It seems like something I'm actually going to use a lot. So Dropship coming soon, kind of, or you can get it right now if you want to sideload it to Good Lock. And our last story of the day has to do with the Galaxy S23 phones, 23, 23 plus 23 Ultra, and when the phone is going to be released. Looks like it's going to be released very soon, earlier than the past couple of phones that have come out for Samsung. This is coming over from Korea, Chosun website. I'll link it down below if you want to read the full article, saying Galaxy S23 to be unveiled in the first week of February next year, aka 2023. Early release as the market contacted. I mean, this is translated, so it's going to read a little bit weird, but ultimately they're saying that the first week of February next year, the phone will come out, and it's the fastest ever, 3 to 4 weeks earlier than usual. They go on to say that a business official familiar with Samsung said on the 3rd, Samsung is planning to hold an Unpacked event in San Francisco in the first week of February next year to unveil its next product. Considering that Samsung Electronics has usually held a public event and released the product on Fridays in 2 weeks, Samsung S23 series is expected to be available for purchase around February 17th next year. So think about this. So what we're talking about, sounds like February 3rd is going to be when it launches, or is at least unveiled somewhere there. And then February 17th is when you'd actually be able to pick it up, get it in your hand. You'd probably have it around Valentine's Day, because if you order it online, they generally send these phones out to your house 2 to 3 days before release date. So you're looking at that week, February 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, when you'd have it in hand for the Galaxy S23 phones. It also sounds like they're going to do an Unpacked event, not a virtual one, but a real one where media, such as myself, could attend these events. Maybe they'll have fans as well, and you'd be able to attend the event and check out the phone firsthand before it even is released into the public. So very interesting stuff. We will keep our eyes peeled to this release. But what do you guys think? You're excited for an Unpacked event and having some, people give you some real life opinions on the phone before the phone's even released, or doesn't really care about it? Let me know in the comments down below. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.